Good morning everyone, how's everyone doing today? Fences are Paul here on YouTube. So at Rushmere Country Park, so I'm going to have a little wander around, thanks to Rob Scooby taking me to these places, so somewhere different. So I'm going to be going somewhere else afterwards hopefully, so let's go a little wander. Talk to you in a little while. So I came across these, Circle of Life, so cocoon. Don't know what they are, sorry. And then it turns into a butterfly. So yeah, there you go. Talk to you in a minute. So yeah, it's a private hire. It looks like Rob just said they do little private parties in there. I thought something caught my eye. Just up here. Wow, look at that, guys. I bet that'd be spooky in the night. So I'll be filming a couple of caging things. So do you want to say good morning, Scooby?
Morning guys, right, I am not filming myself today, I'm being more of a guide for Paul. He's never been here before, so we're starting off. This is Rushmere Country Park. We'll make our way through here, taking in some of the sights and the bits and pieces at here. Then we're going to Stock Grove County Park, which has got a sundial at the back of that. Both of the facilities have both got toiletry areas, they've got restaurants, gift shops, etc. Then from there we get onto Rushmere Heath, and we'll try and find what we did the other couple of weeks back in pitch black darkness. We tried to find a pet cemetery. I've only ever found it once. I know roughly the area, so we'll go on to Rushmere Heath and try and find it in the daytime. That's the plan anyway.
Okay, that's the plan, Stan. Let's film a little bit.
Tons to film out here, mate. Tons of it. Get back on the trail. Away from the poo.
I know I keep saying this occasionally as well. I hope my phone lasts.
You won't have that to worry about after next week.
So hopefully, hey. So is that the main path going down there? Is it? Yeah. So I film a couple bits what catches my eye. So I bet there's tons of seating area. Oh, what's that on there? Nothing much.
It's a lot better on the other side.
Oh, what have we got here?
Pixie Zoo.
Who?
Pixie.
Pixie. Oh, right. There you go, guys. Pixie. Interesting place already. Let's take some photos while I can as well. And there you go. So first time here. If there's a tree lovers, this is for you guys.
The area where these guys over here are sitting is like a circular area, and all different leaves.
Yeah. Wow. Anyway. freeze it for a minute.
Made by sort of prehistoric time where the water come through.
Alright.
And the water's now gone.
Yeah.
And you're left with this.
Alright. Huh. Wow.
You're left with that.
Bloody hell. Look at that, guys.
So that would have been your prehistoric era.
Yeah.
The water would have gone as high as the banks.
Alright, yeah.
Over the year, obviously, the water source has dried up. Trees have grown up. Probably in the last couple of centuries.
And
Formed that.
I know. Hey? Yeah. Okay. I'll sit on it. Undo one of them. Cool, here we go again. I must be loaded here. Fucking every time I go out here, I've been ripping them.
Throne. Well, I've got to film you.
Yeah, this is that.
I am filming Paul sitting on his throne. That is not a toilet, although he keeps continuously dropping his guts today for some reason. There you go. Hand round. I'll pass it back to Paul. Go and see the spider.
Spider. Oh. Is that a spider there? Talk to you in a minute, guys.
Beautiful place though, isn't it?
Yeah, that'd be good for doing Halloween. Dress up some Michael Myers. Got Christmas trees here, so we won't be far off to that. August, was it? It's August, September, October, November. Bloody hell, we've got 4 months. Need bloody Christmas already. It's crazy. So here come nick a Christmas tree. So well, so I've just done the info at the front.
Rub your hands over the tree. Fox piss. Don't chew that.
Don't chew that.
No,
Oh.
don't chew that.
Yummy, yummy.
Scenario is won't drop it down. It's just like pine trees.
Oh, yeah. Oh, wow. There's a proper Christmas tree there, guys. Like I said, we won't be that long. Only 4 months till Christmas. I felt crazy. Unbelievable.
They've got to be 20 foot. More back that way.
Yeah, so.
Can I introduce you to the people of the woods?
No. So I know I keep repeating. I'll film all different stuff. I don't do all the same thing. Hey?
Come back to that in a minute. Actually, there's no one here to film that bit now.
Wow.
Storybook.
There's a storybook today, guys. So what's the story gonna be? Anything on it? Nothing. Once upon a time there was Once upon a time there was Rob, Scooby and Fences of Paul. Just walking around. Can you sit on it?
Yeah.
Bit too high.
Well, you get kids get on it.
So there you go. Let's I need to take photos when I'm going around as well.
That's where your teacher puts you if you're naughty on that. Spend most of our lives on there.
So I'm on attention then, yeah? think they should do a Halloween trail. Look at that, guys. Well, they fell over. So, people of the woods there, guys. Wow, look at that.
The keeper of the woods.
So, what are you lot up to today, guys?
They'll look after the place. They're like spirits.
Well,
They keep the place safe. Show there's a bench down here.
what's this here? Was that people of the woods as well?
Huh?
Is that a face?
All this area, there's houses in amongst all these trees.
Houses.
Little tiny pixie heads.
Let's freeze it for a minute.
Those the inn.
Hey?
The inn. Off the tree inn or something.
So wow, look at that.
I know. Spectacular, isn't it? I've got to go 50, 55.
So if anybody like a tree lover, here you go, guys. What size are these? Rushmere. Well, we've got a gate. I know there's kids, but wild thing. Wow, look at that.
Filming?
Yeah, yeah.
Right, okay. This gate here, there was a game show that happened on a Saturday night. It was pre-COVID lockdown, and you'd have contestants. There'd be one dressed normally, and the other member of their team would be dressed up as either a squirrel, a badger, fox, owl, duck, mole, etc. And what they would do is they would play games, very much like the 70s It's a Knockout. Getting eliminated, they'd have to fill glasses full of water and go around on a carousel and things like that. And they were playing for a 10 grand prize. And people obviously did win it, but it was all filmed here, and that's the remnants.
Yeah.
All in the back area behind that is where all the film set was. There's nothing left of it now, but they kept the gate here as a reminder of where the show took place.
Well.
I can have a look. This is the Wild Things Gate. That really happy TV programme that we filmed up here.
Also, when the kids are at school, and you could be here, I've come up here, oh, it must have been maybe 5, 6 weeks ago. I walked round here and there was not a soul about.
Yeah. There's a jump sea over there.
Yeah. Down the bottom here. If you see it from this bit. If that's if they're there, they might not be.
Yeah.
Back here and you see them.
Oh, wow, yeah.
Bottom here. A couple of files there, but I don't think there's anyone out on the course. Great big, yeah, see it from here.
So
Some of them, if they're any
some
good,
massive big jumps
there's
down there.
a couple going up there, they might come down in a second. Yeah, one's about to do it.
Assuming. Where is he? Can't see him.
He's going to see where that jump is there.
Yeah.
He's going to appear there. He's just coming down now, so he's just about to come towards it.
Oh, yeah. Oh, he's gone. Oh, yeah.
It looks like I've gone round the back of it. Might not be as good. But yeah, The really good ones will hit that full speed and land down this side.
Oh, right, yeah.
So there's like a gap of a good 20 foot.
So there's massive big jumps there, guys. So we had Rob Lily falling over twice here. And I didn't believe to film it. God, bloody hell.
This area here, that is supposed to be, well, as you can see from it, it's like a set of wings. I first thought it was a bird,
Oh, right.
but it's angel wings.
Wow.
So basically people passed away,
Yeah.
and they got this as the scenery, so they look out, that's their view they've got.
Oh,
So
wow.
eventually you can come and sit and think about it. I've seen it for years. It's beautiful.
It's got some flowers on here.
It's inscribed as well.
Yeah. Somebody's left some flowers here. Some angel wings, guys.
It's Amy, Alice. It's like Lynn Farrell.
Well.
Beautifully done.
Yeah. We're going down there. Oh, pardon me. So there's a lake down here. There you come up. So like I said, there's somewhere new today, guys. Rushmere Country Park. Let's go have a look over here. Like I said, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Finches of Paul. Like I said, I do all different stuff. Like I said, it looks like a bit boggy here. Couple benches. Yeah, a little bit boggy. Hey? I think I've been here.
Huh?
Oh, fuck yeah. Can't come fishing here.
Bigger ones out there. They're huge.
Yeah.
You see it?
Yeah.
Not very often get a family of 7 cygnets, the mum and dad.
Some baby swans there and mum and dad on the corner here.
Tons of fish.
So is that, guys. And got another one a bit further out there. So we've got an interesting bench coming up here as well. What's these characters? Oh, maybe not. Hey?
People else that have also passed and had plaques put on it.
So plaques of people what died, passed away and stuff. It's a little parking area, guys. Yeah, I have been here before. So I remember walking up there. Anybody want any ice creams and all that kind of stuff? So at the moment, guys, we're here now. We're going towards the pet cemetery, just up the bit further up the road, or path. What do you mean? So I'm going to do like a. Let's turn you around. Sorry. So I'm going to do probably a separate video or vlog when we get to the pet cemetery, and then on the way back do a little bit extra. I don't know if they will be allowed me to film in the shop to see what gifts they do in there. I suppose they'll probably say no, but you don't know till you are. Well, we're not going to ask. I'll just freaking film if anybody stops me, and then I stop filming. So I'll talk to you in a little while. Let's carry on a little bit first here. Got something maybe interesting coming up there, is it? Huh? Oh, just fucking walkway. Right. Hello guys, so I'm going to end this video here and then get to the pet cemetery. I'm going to do a separate vlog on that, and then carry on. Like I said, hopefully I can film in the gift shop and so on, see what they've got there. So give my battery a charge, not charge, a bit of life. So anyway, catch you in a little while. Talk to you in a little while. Bye for now, bye for now. What's the time?
What's the time?
Yeah.
It's 12:25.
Okay, so afternoon. Right, good afternoon guys. So I'm at my next location. So I'm going to do, like I said, 2 separate vlogs. We have found the pet cemetery. So it's just here, so I'm going to do 2 separate vlogs and then have a look at the gift shop back where we came. So here they are guys. Do a little lap, don't know, can't read what they are. Tommy or whatever, sorry. I missed one. Can't really see on that one. Look like a stone or an egg or whatever. If you can read them guys. So well, can't really read what's on them. Don't know how many's there. Like I said, 2 separate vlogs. So how many's there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Looks like 6 graves. A quick little video. So yeah, I think there's 6 graves guys. I don't know if there's any being dug up or not. I don't know if there was one there or not. Can't see anymore. So it looks like 6 graves, so a little pet cemetery. No, but not. So yeah, nothing much there, I can't see. So like I said, let's take a picture of the thumbnail for them. So here they are guys, we finally find the pet cemetery. because we tried to come up here in the dark and tried to find them. I thought, how can we find them in the dark? So there they are, guys. Let's take a phone out. So there you go, guys. So let's get back to the other thing, and then hopefully I can film the bit of the gift shop and all that kind of stuff. But he said there's a couple of vans and cars still somewhere. So talk to you in a little while. Bye for now, bye for now. So good afternoon, guys. We have found the fans in the car. I think it's a car. Bloody cobwebs over. Well, hello this, guys. Gonna add this on to the pet cemetery. Wow, hello this, guys. Hopefully my phone lasts. I know I keep saying this now because I want to film a couple of things about the gift shop. So Rob Scooby in front there. So there's another one there. We'll have a look in a little while. Wow, look at that, guys. Crazy.
Just a complete pile of rust now. You see the old...
Anything over there? Don't look like it. Bit TLC, be alright, won't it?
Yeah, a bit WD-40, that's all that fine.
Yeah, get it going. Is that another one over there, isn't it?
Yeah.
There you go, guys. The steering wheel. Oh, bloody hell, I forgot to bring my bloody jump leads.
He's past that, mate. Past that. Hello.
Hello. Anybody want a wheel?
How do you know his name's Will?
Yeah, well, or whatever it is. Trevor. There's another one over here. You know how many do you know? How many's in here? Do you know? Probably two, is there?
I think it's 3.
Anybody want a tyre? Oh, that looks like a van, does it? So God knows what that is, guys. Leave comments down below. So Rob thinks there's another one. So yeah, so talk to you when you see the next one. Hopefully my phone lasts. We've found the van now. So like I said, I'm going to add this to the pet cemetery. Look at that. So, wow. Hopefully my phone lasts. I'm going to try, hopefully, look in the gift shop. There you go, guys. So there you go, guys, we found the van. Just need to get a pickup truck to pick it up and then get it on the truck, and then we can get it going. Anyway guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe to Rob, Scooby and Scooby, and catch you on the next video. Bye for now, bye for now. Bye.